In Microsoft Excel, we can add a header just as we can in Microsoft Word. And we can do that by going to the Insert tab at the top and then going over to where it says Header and Footer. And there's our header and footer, so we'll click on Add Header, and we'll just type in Company Info. Hit Enter, and just click anywhere away. And now we see that it's showing up on our Sheet 1, Page 1. However, we see it's not showing up on any other page until we click over there, and now it's showing it. And it'll show it here as well. If I click back into it, I can highlight it, and I can go back to my Home tab, and I can change the size of the font. I can also change the font itself. And you see it changes it on the other ones as well. And I can certainly go in and change the color. And we'll make it green because the company is profitable. There we go. And we can also add headers. We see 3 different boxes that we can put in. So on the left-hand side, I'll just type in the awesome company. And you can see that it goes to the default font and size, so we'll need to change that if we want to make it match the other one. And on this other side, if we click on Design, we can choose a lot of other information, such as we can put in a page number, number of pages, current date, current time, things like that. We can even insert a picture, but it has to be an awfully small picture. So I'll just go ahead and put in page number, and we'll click away from it, and now it says page 1. And after we fill in page 1, then the next page will switch to page 2 as well. I'm going to go to View and just click on Normal, so that way we can see our single page. If I go to Page Layout, that takes us back to where we were before. And when we go to print it, we'll choose File, choose Print. We can see our header will show up. So that's how we add in a header and make changes to it in Microsoft Excel.